Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We'll pick up where we left off in Part 1 and delve deeper into advanced topics related to tire color and design. From the role of carbon black to emerging trends in tire aesthetics, we'll explore various aspects of tire color to provide a comprehensive understanding. Get ready to continue your journey toward uncovering the science, history, and future trends of car tire color. Perception of safety and performance. When it comes to car tires, the color black often conveys a sense of durability and reliability. The dark hue is associated with strength and stability, which can subconsciously make drivers feel safer on the road. This perception influences the driver's confidence in the tire's performance, especially in challenging driving conditions. Aesthetic appeal. Apart from safety considerations, the aesthetic aspect of black tires should not be overlooked. Black is a timeless and classic color that complements the overall appearance of a vehicle. It provides a sleek and sophisticated look that appeals to many car owners. The contrast of black tires against the color of the car's body creates a visually appealing design that enhances the overall aesthetics of the vehicle. Black tires, with their psychological impact on safety, performance, and aesthetics, continue to be a popular choice among drivers worldwide. The color black not only signifies durability and reliability but also adds a touch of elegance to the overall look of a vehicle. Environmental concerns and tire color. When it comes to the color of car tires, environmental concerns play a significant role in shaping the choices made by manufacturers and consumers alike. Let's delve into the environmental impact of tire color and explore how innovations in eco-friendly options are changing the game. Sustainability and carbon footprint. The traditional black color of car tires is a result of the carbon black added during the manufacturing process. While this gives tires their durability and strength, the environmental impact of carbon black production is a concern. Carbon black is derived from fossil fuels, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability in the automotive industry. Manufacturers are increasingly aware of the need to reduce their carbon footprint and minimize the environmental impact of their products. One way this is being addressed is through the development of eco-friendly tire options that offer performance without compromising on sustainability. Innovations in eco-friendly tire colors. In response to environmental concerns, tire manufacturers are actively exploring alternative materials and technologies to create eco-friendly tire colors. Innovations such as using natural oils, renewable materials, and non-toxic dyes are revolutionizing the tire industry. By incorporating sustainable practices into tire production, companies are not only reducing their environmental impact but also meeting the growing demand for eco-conscious products. Eco-friendly tire colors are not only beneficial for the planet but also for consumers who are increasingly seeking environmentally responsible options for their vehicles. The shift towards eco-friendly tire colors reflects a broader trend towards sustainability in the automotive industry. As awareness of environmental issues continues to grow, manufacturers are under increasing pressure to develop innovative and sustainable solutions that minimize impact without compromising performance. Innovations in eco-friendly tire colors highlight the industry's commitment to sustainability and offer a glimpse into a future where environmentally responsible practices are the norm rather than the exception. By choosing eco-friendly options, consumers can play a vital role in driving positive change and creating a more sustainable future for generations to come. Future trends in car tire color. With the rapid advancements in technology, the automotive industry is witnessing exciting developments in car tire colors. Let's delve into the future trends that are shaping the way we perceive and customize car tires. Technological advancements. Innovations in tire manufacturing processes are paving the way for a revolution in car tire colors. From specialized pigments to advanced application techniques, technology is enabling tire manufacturers to offer a wide range of color options to consumers. Imagine being able to choose from a spectrum of colors to match your car's unique style and personality. One of the key technological advancements driving the evolution of car tire colors is the development of durable and fade-resistant coatings. These coatings not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the tires but also provide long-lasting vibrancy, even in harsh driving conditions. Additionally, advancements in materials science are enabling the creation of color-changing tires that adapt to different temperatures or road conditions, adding an element of functionality to their visual appeal. Customization and personalization. Personalization is becoming a central theme in the automotive industry, and car tire colors are no exception. Customization options that were once limited to vehicle exteriors and interiors are now extending to the tires themselves. Manufacturers are offering bespoke color options, allowing consumers to express their individuality and create a truly unique driving experience. Furthermore, the rise of 3D printing technology is opening up new possibilities for customized tire designs and colors. Imagine being able to design your tire patterns and colors, creating a one-of-a-kind look for your vehicle. This level of personalization not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the car but also reflects the driver's style and preferences. As technology continues to advance and consumer preferences evolve, we can expect to see a diverse range of car tire colors hitting the roads shortly. The future of car tire colors is vibrant, customizable, and reflective of the ever-changing landscape of the automotive industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, the reason why car tires are black is due to the use of carbon black in the rubber compound. Carbon black not only enhances the durability and strength of the tires but also provides crucial protection against UV rays and ozone damage. So, the next time you see those black tires hitting the road, remember that their color is not just a style choice but a practical necessity for performance and longevity. Drive safe and stay informed. As we conclude our two-part series on why car tires are black, the science, history, and future trends, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, by understanding the factors that influence tire color, you can gain a deeper appreciation for the engineering behind your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.